Chapter 3. The Princess from Khwadik. Now I need some women dancers, Ibrahim said. Women dancers? Answered the king in surprise. Yes, replied the astrologer, and they must be young and beautiful. The king was surprised, but he gave Ibrahim the dancers. The astrologer stayed in his cave with them, and King Ibn fought ferocious battles in his tower with the chess pieces. One day, the magic horseman turned toward a place called Khwadik. The king ran to the chessboard under that window, but the pieces did not move. That's strange, thought the king. The king sent his soldiers to look for enemies from Khwadik. After 3 days, they returned with a young lady. We looked everywhere, they said, but we only found this maiden. She's from Khwadik. King Ibn looked at the maiden. She wore bright jewels on her forehead and a gold bracelet on her arm. Who are you? The king asked. I am a princess, the daughter of a Gothic prince, the maiden said. She's beautiful. I must keep her, the king exclaimed. The astrologer warned the king about this woman. Beware, she's a witch. The magic horseman points to your enemies, and he pointed to her. She'll bring trouble to your kingdom. But the king ignored him. That's impossible, he said. She's beautiful and good. Will you give her to me? The astrologer asked. More women? Repeated the king. Don't you have enough women? Yes, but I want this one, replied the astrologer. But the king refused, and Ibrahim left the palace angrily.